I'm at the airport right now, trying to look at what comes in and what goes out, and who are responsible for all these incomings and outgoings. Yes, the airport authorities stand guarantee for whatever is happening here, and they are held responsible for everything that goes in and out of this place. This flight is in control of the pilot, and the pilot is responsible for every activity from the time he takes off until he comes in. All the passengers have to listen to him. Similarly, every household, when we bring up our children, the responsibility is taken by the parents. If the son is doing something wrong, we hold the father responsible and blame him specifically. In case the daughter is doing something wrong, we hold the mother responsible for the daughter of the girl child. Similarly, the responsibility of a college, a school, a hospital, or any institution you may want to take, they are all held responsible for one thing or the other. As we have seen the responsibilities from various aspects, what is the responsibility of the police that is trying to protect us from the unruly elements of whatever is happening? Every police station knows what is happening in their area, and they know how to protect them if they are given a free hand. For every riot that happens across India in any Jaitra Yatra, for example, we saw the stone peltings in Ramanavami, we saw the stone peltings on the Kavad Yatras, and all this stuff. Who is responsible for all the stone peltings? My suggestion is, whoever is doing from the particular masjid area, you should hold the mullah or the maulvi responsible for that incident and book him under the penal codes of whatever, or the Bharat Nyaya Samhita. Similarly, the corporator and the MLA should be held responsible for all these unruly things. This is my submission to the Government of India, the Home Ministry, and the Internal Affairs Ministry. This will help us to see that we all can live peacefully. And also, the police knows in which mosque what is happening, how many weapons are there in each mosque, and how many Rohingyas and Bangladeshi Muslims are around those mosques in their police limits. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us start putting pressure on the Home Department to let them do what they are supposed to do. Remind them of their responsibilities and the accountability that they hold to the salaries which they take from the public money, which is given by the public as taxes. If you are hearing Satya Bhasham for the first time, kindly subscribe and like and share the video. Till the next episode, I remain Ram Babu Cheruvu, Hyderabad.